How to learn new words for IELTS. Your vocabulary is one of the most important things when preparing for an exam. Each section requires knowledge of the meaning of different words. Where can I get advanced vocabulary? The easiest answer is from an article or book you read. Reading practice test also rich. New words. Also, you can take all sorts of different phrases for IELTS. Writing with sample essays from the internet. How to learn words. Write definition to your dictionary. Cambridge Dictionary, my favorite. And remember, learning words with Russian or Kazakh translation is not the best idea because it is only remembered for short term. However, if you are comfortable with this, continue like this. Next, try to learn from the list. Slowly look around. The most important thing in learning a word is to use it in practice. This is the only way to learn words forever. Take IELTS questions. Speaking and answer questions using new words. Directly challenge yourself.